Hello, quick introduction to the video. My name is Cameron. I'm a graduate apprentice software engineer currently studying at Glasgow University, and I'm using this video as a way to sort of rubber ducky debug a LeetCode problem, just attempt to solve it, talk through my thought process, and hopefully it's useful to someone watching this. So the problem I'm going to be attempting today is 2, 8, 4, 3 count symmetric integers. So I'm just going to read out the spec here. So you're given two positive integers, low and high. An integer x consisting of 2 times n digits is symmetric if the sum of the first n digits of x is equal to the sum of the last n digits of x. Numbers with an odd number of digits are never symmetric. Return the number of symmetric integers in range low to high. So for instance, low is equal to 1, high is equal to 100. There are 9 symmetric integers between 1 and 100. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, and 9, 9. For example, 2, and the reason is, well, 1 is equal to 1, the two halves are equal. For instance here, the 4 symmetric integers are equal because, I don't know how that makes sense. 1 plus 2 is 3, 0 plus 0 is 0. The first n digits of x. The sum of the first n digits of x is equal to the last n digits of x. Oh wait, sorry, I was reading this wrong. So it's between these two numbers. So 1, 2 is 3, and this is 3, 3 and 3, 3 and 3, 3 and 3. Constraints numbers between 1 and 10 to the power 4, and the hints given are iterate through all numbers and convert each to a string and compare the sum of the first half of that of the second. Okay, just thinking about this, I don't know why you would need to compare it to convert it to a string. Okay, so let's think about this. Go over to our notes. So we will have to iterate. That's correct. Iterate from low to high. Convert both halves to for each number. Convert each half to a list of numbers, integers. Sum the integers. Check if the sum is the same. If it is, add to list. Now, you don't have to add it to a list if it is, just increment. And then we're gonna return output. So, moving over to LeetCode, I've copy and pasted my notes in. So iterate from low to high. So for I, or for num in range low, high, so this should work right. Print num. So this is going to go from 1 to 99, high plus 1. We want it to go up to and including 100. There we go. So, iterating through all the numbers, convert each half to a list of integers. So, we should be able to put it into two halves. So, if length of string num is equal if it's odd, if it's so odd numbers are not symmetric, so just go continue. Else, we're gonna check if length of, or we're gonna check. The first thing we're gonna do is sum. So, what we're going to do is go string num is equal to str num. So now the string's into a num, so then we're going to do for digit and string underscore num temp underscore sum is equal or plus equals digit. Okay. And let's just print temp underscore sum up here. In fact, it should go in here. Ah, yep, two equal signs. Temp sum, oh, int. Have to cast this back to an int. And we don't need to print this number every time now. Let's just run this again. Okay, this is looking promising. Okay. So this is going to be 10. This is confusing. I will print string underscore num each time we do this. So 10 is going to be 1, 11 is going to be 2, yep. Okay. So we're going to do from the beginning up until length of string underscore num divided by 2. So the length of string num divided by 2 would be, if it's 2 it's going to be 1, so 0 to 1, or 2 divided, it's going to be a length of 2, 2 divided by 2 is 1, so it's going to go from 0 up to but not including index 1, so we'll just do index 0. Okay, and then we need to do the same. We'll do temp sum 1. And then we'll do the same thing for the other half. Okay, and then we're gonna print, or we're gonna do if temp underscore sum underscore 2 is equal to temp underscore sum underscore 1. I'll do it the other way to make it a bit cleaner. So if the left and right half are equal to each other, then output plus equals 1. And then we're going to return, at the end, we're going to return output. Okay. Slice indices must be integer. Slice indices must be integers or none or have an index method. Maybe put brackets around this. Slice indices must be integers. So 0 up until the length of string underscore num divided by 2. Let's print the length. So the length is 2, so it's going from 0 to 2. Let's search this. Okay, so for some reason it's counting it as a float. So I'm going to do int, convert this to an int, and do the same thing down here as well. Hit run. And this must be integers. Oh, didn't close the bracket properly, that's what it is. Cannot access local variable output. Okay, that's because it's not been defined anywhere. We can do that up at the top. Output is going to be equal to 0. There we go. Both test cases pass. Take out this print statement, hit submit. And hopefully accepted. So thank you very much for watching this video. Hope it was useful to you in some way, shape or form. If it was, please let me know. Or if you had some other way to solve this problem, love to hear about that as well. Love discussing these problems. And yeah, thank you once again for watching the video, and I hope you have a great day.